All right, round two. Let's try this again. Let's try this again. All righty. As I was trying to say in the last live stream, we did bounce off a key area yesterday. That's 61.8% retracement. So if we make our way back down, I'm very interested in another bounce or 44.2625. Hopefully people know to join this live stream now. But let's see, we do have a nice 1 hour squeeze. If I am going to look for a reject, the only possible area I like, 44.56, 44.59. So those are my reject levels, bounce levels. If we can get above there and clear that, then we definitely have some room to the upside, at least into this 44.96 area, which seems to be a pretty big area right there. So again, reject, bounces. We don't really need that level anymore. Cool. All right, that's it on ES. Let's head on over to SPY. Yeah, we back. I accidentally flipped off the Wi-Fi. Not like gave it the middle finger, flip off, but accidentally turned it off on the computer. And why is it doing this again? Yeah, go back to green. We like green. We don't like the orange or red. We only like green. Cool. Let's keep it like that. Oh, back to orange. If the stream cuts out again, then I'm gonna hop on Instagram Live with the rest of the squad. But let's see. Again, if we're gonna watch a reject, the only possible area I like is this high to low. Delete this. Mark our overnight low. Possible liquidity below there. Watch yesterday's low for a bounce. 442.15 is going to be my main area that I'll watch for a bounce. And then after that, 440.9. But again, rejects there. Possible liquidity here. We can watch all these areas right there. Maybe even a liquidity sweep above these highs. So let's go back on over. Mark that level on ES. I use the squeeze on everything. Everything. But there's ES. Let's take a look at QQQ. Now we got to really run through this watch list today, because that just wasted a bunch of my time trying to figure out what was happening. But 369.15 is going to be a key area. And then as far as pivot low, pivot high, we have there to there, which that 50% we broke below. So we're going to take that off. And then the 61.8, pivot low, pivot high. Gonna watch those areas down there. I'm gonna watch a reject. We got here to here. Looks like we hit the 50% retracement in the pre-market. Watch that pre-market low, pre-market high. If we break above there, then we got some room. Cool. All right, that is everything on QQQ. Let's head on over to NQ. Yeah, and I have a feeling the second stream is going to be a little light now. What if... Hold on, let me delete the other stream. That way people don't get confused. Let's delete the other one. There we go. Cool. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Alrighty. See, I'm going to watch down here. These are my main levels for a bounce. Again, it does look like, or maybe that was a misprint on QQQ. Yeah, so we got a little higher. We go on NQ for a reject, 15,283, 15,297. And then also I like that 1 hour, 21 EMA at that level as well. Perfect. Mark yesterday's low. Mark pre-market high. Awesome. All right, so that's everything. ES, NQ, QQQ, SPY. Let's take a look at the individuals. See what we're liking, what we're not liking. Again, ADP, I was watching this for a swing. However, I think it's falling apart. Yeah, so nothing there. I was also watching Upwork. I don't know if that ever validated. Maybe we can get the setup today. We'll see. Just depends how we close at the end of the day. Let's take a look at Apple. Lots of volume on Apple yesterday. Lots and lots of volume. Let's see, we're at 177.22. It's got a squeeze. I don't know if that was a... Did we actually trade up there? Yes, we did, I guess. I mean, it's got that daily gap. Maybe. We'll see with that. You're liking the new book? I appreciate that. Hope you find lots of value in it. Yes, make sure you guys do go get the new book on Amazon, The New Age of Day Trading. If you guys get that book to #1, I'm going to do my biggest giveaway ever. We got the last book to #1. Currently, this book is number 23 as of this morning. So, you know, if we can get #1, because #1 right now is Rich Dad, Poor Dad, I'm pretty sure. Let me pull it up. Let's pull it up and see what is #1. But let me tell you, if I could get above Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and all those other amazing finance books and get #1, even if it's for 5 minutes, I'll take it. That's a huge accomplishment. We're number 24 right now in all finance books. #1 is Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and then the second one, The Psychology of Money. So if we can get up there, whew, ladies and gentlemen, I will do a fat giveaway for you guys. So definitely make sure you guys go pick up a copy. I will drop the link. You can also find it in the description, I believe. But here's the link to The New Age of Day Trading if you want to read my new book. There we go. Anyways, Amazon. I saw yesterday it was up 2%. Anybody want to know why it's up 2%? It's because a new book dropped. That's why. That's why it was up 2%. But it looks like just a 3-bar pullback. It looks like it might have retested the breakout. No, so it came back into the breakout. Let's see. I mean, it doesn't look bad as long as it were to hold the 1 hour 21 EMA is what would have me interested. So, I mean, maybe we'll put a question mark next to it. Amazon question mark. Let's see. Boeing, don't care about. Baba, don't care about. Coin, let's see. Costco, kind of just chilling. Nothing special about that. Google, let's see. Nice 4-hour squeeze. Holding the 1 hour or holding the 4-hour 21 EMA, very close to that daily 21 EMA. We could do a high risk breakout above these highs for that squeeze. So let's do that. Let's do Google, possibly. IWM, and remember, if it's on the watch list, I'll get to it. Don't worry. Don't you worry. If it's on the watch list, your boy will get to it. Nice little falling wedge here on IWM if you guys want to watch that. Let's see. Mora. Don't care about Meta. Meta, I don't know what happened with Meta yesterday. That was quite a move up and then quite a move down. Oh, I forgot I wanted to try a lotto on Meta. Yesterday would have been the day to do it. I really like that 4-hour squeeze that we got going on. I mean, if that 4-hour squeeze were to fire up, this could be a runner. A multi-day runner. So let's put Meta on the list. I think I'm going to keep it on watch. Just because of the squeeze. But let's see. Microsoft don't care about. Netflix. Again, guys, if it's on the watch list, I'll get to it. You don't gotta keep typing it in the chat. I will get to it. Don't you worry. I promise. Pinky promise. Let's see. Meta, we want 450, 350. It's at 445. So, yeah, no, nothing on Netflix. Skip over that. NVDA 460. Nothing there. PayPal. Lotto is pretty much you risk all. So if I were to do a $100 per contract trade and I said it's a lotto, I'm willing to risk all $100. And then from there, I should be looking to at least make 100% for it to even make sense from a risk to reward standpoint. We already looked at QQQ. Roku keeping this one on watch for a swing today. Again, still very interested near that daily 21 EMA if it can find support. Even if we dip down there during market for a day trade, around 81. Currently, we're at 83.80, so it'd be quite a pull. But I'd be interested if price could get down there, so I'm going to keep that on the side. Shopify still looks like it's trying to do this little 4-hour cup and handle. Might just take a little longer than what we anticipated. Right there. Boom. So again, let's wait for the breakout. If it breaks out, then we can definitely look for a trade there, but might just sit here for a little longer. We'll see. See where that 8 EMA is. Might try to test that on the daily before it goes. I pretty much did yesterday. We'll see. This doesn't look bad. So I'll definitely keep that on the side. Let's see. Snow. Would only be interested in a pullback on this one. SPX. SQ don't care about. And then since like 50 people asked about Tesla for some reason. Like I said, I get to it. Sure enough, here it is. We're at Tesla. Again, I mean, there's no specific setup that I like on Tesla. It's just, it keeps holding the daily 21 EMA, which is telling me it wants upside, but as soon as it loses it, then I'd be looking for downside. But nothing about a 1 hour or 4 hours giving me any type of trade setup. So, Tesla, no go. Only thing I like, or only stocks I like today, Apple, Amazon, Google, and Meta. Those are my setups for the day. So, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Alrighty, Apple. Again, the thing I don't like is that we traded up here in the pre-market, but it's still a daily gap. I would have preferred if it stayed below, but I think we're going to put this on the watch list. We do have to be careful of that 1 hour 21 EMA. That could be a possible reject, but still, it's going to be it's a daily gap. So let's keep an eye on that. Amazon, again, doesn't look terrible. Would like to see it prove more to me for it to go on the list. Google, again, I do like that 4 hour squeeze. Could definitely come into play today. Then the main one, what is that, 135.65? The main one is going to be Meta. I want to keep an eye on this 4 hour squeeze. Let's see what the arrows are saying. Yeah, so arrows are trying to hint that it's going to fire up. Same with the ready, aim, fire, multiple times, actually. If that squeeze fires up, again, it could run for a few days. Above these highs, too. All right. Well, anything near that 4 hour 21 EMA is a buy for me. I would have watched it for an uptrend entry. So let's get this typed out. Meta. Very close eye on the 4-hour orange dot squeeze. All right, there's Meta. Let's get SPY. SPY is at that 61.8. So head on over to ES. See what it's doing there. Might invalidate it. That was the only area I liked for a reject. A lot of volume came in on this candle. Let's see. I'm just watching an uptrend entry on Meta. There's no specific level. $61.8 is a pretty big level. That's like, again, the only reject that I see. Let's see how this 2-minute candle closes. We shall see. Alrighty, well, we're going to keep this on the back burner. One hour. Let's see, SPY. Using ES levels today. Bounce at 44.35. And let's see if we were to get down 26.25. 26 currently trading at my only reject. I don't think we have any other good ones. Yeah. The reject of 44.59. Alright, so there's SPY, QQQ. Very close to the reject. NQ, same thing. Whoops. 15297.75. Again, watch these lows for possible liquidity. Actually, it looks like we already sniped liquidity. Yeah, we did. But reject there. Bounces. 15. Whoops. 15. 135.25. Then 15099. Cool. All right, there's Meta, SPY, QQQ. And then what does our final one want to be? Does it want to be Apple? Does it want to be Google? Does it want to be Amazon? I'm thinking Apple. I am thinking Apple. Apple watching the daily gap fill. Be cautious of the 1 hour 21 EMA. If we can hold above there, I will be looking for the gap to be filled. Boom. There's the watch list. There is the watch list. I'm going to see if they can clear this reject. But yeah, I mean, we got 210 people in here, so if you guys want to run up the likes, I'll say 150. If you guys can do 150 likes today, then I will give you guys the watch list. Usually I do 225. I know the stream cut out and not as many people are in here, so if you run it up to 150, I will settle for that today on a Friday. But before dropping the watch list, again, if you guys did not know, I did drop a new book on Amazon titled The New Age of Day Trading, where I go more in depth on my day trading strategy, the indicators I use, Fibonacci, sniper entries, multiple time frame analysis, stop loss strategies, you know, and the list just goes on and on. There's so much stuff inside of this book. That's why it's 325 pages. So make sure you guys check it out on Amazon using that link right there. And again, if we get that book to #1, I am going to do my biggest giveaway ever. And trust me, it is going to be a very special one as well. So if you get it to #1, remember this, biggest giveaway ever. Hey, your book is out for delivery. Yeah. So again, make sure you guys check it out. There's that link right there. All it takes is one trade to make back the money from the book. So yeah, highly suggest it. Highly suggest. Might be a little biased if I say so myself, but I did write it. But again, 150. I ordered 50 of my own book, right? Obviously, I got a little cheaper, but 50 of them. They'll be here September 18th, so in 10 days. And then whoever wants signed copies, if you reach out to me then, I'm going to post something on my Instagram story. That's when I'll start doing the signed copies. I got roasted on Twitter for my signature, so be ready to see that. People were being bullies. Big old bullies. Bought it today. Let's go. Let's go. All right, we're about to hit 150. You guys do it. Hey, I will gladly take that job. Gladly. I might want to join the Zoom. Oh, Grizzly's doing it. Perfect. Perfect. There it is, 150. Alrighty. So, As always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. The plan can change. We talked about this yesterday. Seems like, I want Apple to the upside. I want Meta to the upside. SPY and QQQ, I'm watching both ways. The market could just absolutely tank and validate Apple, invalidate Meta. Or we could just trade sideways. Again, the plan, it's going to change regardless. But being able to change our game plan intraday is how we stay profitable. So keep that in mind. Heavy rain later. What are you talking about? Why is it going to rain? Anyways, yeah, again, the 61.8, it's a pretty big level. So if we can clear it, we can see upside. If not, we're going to see downside. But here is the watch list, ladies and gentlemen. As always, I hope you guys are able to print today. Make some money. And yeah, again, make sure you guys check out the new book on Amazon, The New Age of Day Trading, The Ultimate A through Z Trading Guide. One of the only few trading books that you're going to need. Piece that together with the previous book, The New Age of Technical Analysis. And then my videos on YouTube. And you got yourself a lot of education that you're not going to find anywhere else. So, highly suggest you guys pick up both copies, take advantage of the YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed, and we're about to hit 60K subscribers, everybody. We're at 59,925, which is crazy. So, I appreciate all of you, and make sure you also check out yesterday's video. Let me know if you guys like that kind of content. It's different, but that's more so the style that I want to transition over to. So if you guys didn't see it, this video right here, it's a little different. But again, it's what I want to transition to. And then also, if you're a channel member, you do have access to all these bootcamp videos, plus future bootcamp videos that I'm going to be uploading for you guys. So, yeah. Other than that, everybody have an amazing day. Let's run it up. Let's make some money. If you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 10, 15 minutes. Other than that, I'll talk to everybody on Monday. And yeah, let's run it up. Everybody take it easy and peace out.